Hi guys, it's me. How are all of you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. I'm well. I've recovered from the flu. I had the worst stomach bug. Let's just leave it at that. It was bad, really, really bad. And yes, it took me a while to recover because the aftermath was quite difficult. Let's just put it that way. I can't believe I'm starting this video complaining about my health issues. Anyway, what I just thought, this morning I woke up. I'm still not 100%, but I woke up and I said, you know what? I just want to do something that brings me joy. And what brings me joy? Putting on makeup, putting on a pretty face, and filming a video. And this video has been due for a while actually because I have two unboxings. So excited! I've received these boxes. I want to say it's been a couple of weeks now, if not even more. And I knew I wanted to do it on camera, and but the bugs got in the way. So here I am. I did my makeup today and I decided to go for a little bling. I hope you can see. I was inspired because the other day I was watching a makeup tutorial. I love old school makeup tutorials. Just bring them back, please. I love watching them. The longer, the better. Like 1 hour makeup tutorials. Oh, I love it. I just put it in the background and it's so relaxing. It's just so relaxing. Anyway, in this video, the girl was putting bling on her eyes, and she was doing it so easily, like boom, 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 and all this glitter all over the place. I was like, whoa! I mean, I want to do that too. Was it that easy? No. It wasn't. It actually is. What I think is key is that darn, what's it called? That little like crayon pencil, the one that sticks to the bling and allows you to put it on your eye. That is key. I've been using the one that came in the little package, and I don't think that's good. I think I need to get a professional, a better one to apply the rhinestones, because I think that instrument is key. I want to say my room is like full of glitter because half of them just fell on the floor. But I managed in the end. I put 2 and 2. And yeah, things like this just put me in a good mood. I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted to put on some makeup. It relaxes me so much. And film this video. So, right, I have 2 PopMart unboxings because, I just wanted to. If you know, you know. Anyway, PopMart did a collaboration with the Monsters collection and the Sanrio characters. This is actually quite new. And third time's a charm. Let's just put it that way. When it first launched, I was there on the countdown. I didn't even manage to put it in my basket. It was sold out on the first second. Like literally, second number 1, done, gone, already out of stock. So that was that. Same thing on attempt number 2. I was in the mall. And what did I go see? Oh, I went to see Project Hail Mary. Did you guys go and watch it? I love that movie so much. I enjoyed it. It's quite a long movie. I want to say 2.5 hours. In fact, when I see that movies are so long, I feel a bit anxious because I'm like, God, such a long movie. What if I get bored? But that 2.5 hours just flew by. It was such a great movie. And yeah, Ryan Gosling is in that movie, and he's such a great actor. So I went to see that. Anyway, before going in there, I got notification, new launch. So I said to my sister and my mom, said, hold on, I need to get on the list. So countdown, sold out immediately. I knew it was going to be sold out immediately. So I had zero hopes. But then I got a third notification. And I was at home. I thought, okay, I'm just gonna try. I know I'm not gonna get anything, but I'm gonna try. But I managed. On the third time, I managed to get my hands on one. I just wanted one. So I thought, let's just do an unboxing of this. And I mean, since I was on the website, I was browsing and cruising, and I didn't know that Skull Panda did a collaboration with My Little Pony. So I obviously had to get one, and these are actually like easily, you can get it right now without, you know, all the hustle and bustle of the waiting list and, you know, stuff like that. So yes, I mean, when I was a kid, I was a My Little Pony girl, so I could not get them. And I have to say, packaging wise, I mean, being truly honest, packaging wise, the Skull Panda is much more interesting, cute, and fun than the Sanrio. The Sanrio box really disappointed me a lot. I was like, whoa, is that it? I thought it was going to be a bit different. Anyway, I think the Skull Panda, for now, I mean, just looking at the box, the Skull Panda wins because I think it's much more cute. Anyway, let's just get right to business and start opening. Let's do the Skull Panda one first because I have to admit, this one excites me a bit more. I'm being totally honest. I mean, the box is beautiful. And these are the options. I'm not going to say which one I like because it's a mathematical certainty that the one I like is the one I never get. So I'm not going to say which one I like. Let's not look into the little card. The damn revealing card. Ooh. Okay, so I'm guessing I got Rarity. Okay. Is this the one I wanted? Of course not. But she's definitely among the ones that I didn't mind getting. I mean, she's giving like Snow Queen vibes, I have to say. Very, very cute. Very, very elegant and chic. Doesn't smell of anything. Anyway, Rarity number 1. Can I be honest? I really wanted Pinkie Pie or Twilight Sparkle. So either the dark purple or the pink. The one that I really didn't want, which, I mean, I'm glad I didn't, Applejack. Yeah, wasn't a fan of that. And Fluttershy, also not a fan of that. So yeah, I don't mind this one. I don't mind this one. She's very cute. She's all the vibes. I mean, she's definitely a pony that thinks that she is living her best life. Cute. Now I need to find a bag to put her on. Let's see if yes, we've got the card. And then the monsters for Sanrio. Let's do this. Is it just me or these boxes have become so difficult to open? I mean, the most unflattering and destructive unboxing ever. I saw it. Was it the one I wanted? Of course not. But I mean, he's cute. He's definitely cute. I got Cinnamon Roll. Yay! I mean, yeah. I mean, it wasn't on my top list of the ones that I wanted, but I don't mind. I really, really don't mind. I mean, if I had to choose, I would have wanted Kuromi, and then Hello Kitty, and then maybe My Melody. But I have to say, Kuromi was my dream. But no, never mind. I have to say, Cinnamon Roll is a cutie. He is a cutie, and I don't mind him at all. Card. Okay, so these are the two. Lots of like white and pastel colors going on. So, like, I mean, even if they are different collections, they are kind of matchy-matchy, don't you think? Yay! And I have to say, not only box-wise, but also packaging-wise, I mean, look how dull the Sanrio one is. It's just so plain. Whereas the Skull Panda and My Little Pony is so vibrant and colorful. So yeah, I have to say, when it came to the design of the packaging, PopMart could have done a better job for the Sanrio collection. And speaking of Sanrio, I'm still playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure, loving it. But I recently discovered that there is what is it? Is it an extension, an update of the game? I think it's called City Town something. And so I want to look into that. I might have already downloaded it because I saw that there was an update, but I'm not sure. Do I have to pay for it? I need to do some research. Anyway, I'm so glad that there's like a new part of the game to explore because yes. And that's that, guys. This is all I have for you today. A PopMart unboxing. I really haven't been doing much, just the usual. But there is something exciting coming up. So I think in my next video, I can start talking about it. But anyway, for now, I just wanted to check in and tell you guys that I'm alive. I've survived. And right, I hope you all are doing well. Happy spring. Let's enjoy the beautiful days ahead of us. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I always love answering your comments. Thumbs up the video and subscribe if you're not. And until next time, bye-bye.